Molecular biology, evolutionary biology, ecology, these are all vital to life on Earth. The BSc Biology degree at University of South Wales is diverse and fascinating, encompassing all the areas of biology, from molecular right through to ecological processes and megafauna. The degree is also accredited by the Royal Society of Biology. Students will get the chance to learn laboratory techniques and various different fieldwork techniques, problem-solving skills, critical analysis, inclusivity, teamwork, skills that will be vital for any biological field they choose to pursue. Biology graduates can go on to become a lab technician, go on to lab work, become an ecologist, some may be a biology teacher. So the beauty of this broad field of biology is our well-rounded graduates can go down a whole host of routes when they've graduated.